Most students think life starts after graduation. They wait for that safe job, that perfect opportunity. But by the time they realize, years are gone. What they don't see is people their age, maybe even younger, are already earning online. Not because they're smarter, not because they got lucky, but because they started when everyone else was still planning. If you're watching this, you already have what most people don't: awareness. So let's talk about 5 side hustles that can help you start making money right now, even with no experience, no big investment, just your time, consistency, and internet connection. 1. Freelance video editing. You watch YouTube every day, right? Now imagine getting paid to help creators make those same videos. Video editing isn't just about cutting clips, it's storytelling. And right now, creators are desperate for editors who understand pacing, emotion, and attention. Start with free software like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. And if you're completely new, you can learn everything step by step on Skillshare, from basic editing to advanced storytelling. Use my link in the description to get a 1-month free trial and start learning from real professionals today. You can also practice editing short clips from trending YouTube videos. Then go on Fiverr, Upwork, or even Twitter and post your samples. At first, you might edit a video for $20, then $40, then $80, and suddenly you're earning $1,000 a month doing something you actually enjoy. You're not just learning editing, you're learning creativity, patience, and communication, skills that compound for life. 2. Content writing. If you can write clearly, you can make money. Every brand, every business, every influencer online needs words. Captions, emails, ad copy, it's endless. Go on LinkedIn or Twitter and start writing short threads about topics you care about. Study how top writers structure their posts. When you get good, brands will start reaching out, or you can reach out to them. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Contra are great for beginners. Charge $20 for a blog, then $50, then $100. Within a few clients, that's your $1,000 a month. And here's the secret. Copywriting teaches you how people think, and once you know that, you'll never worry about money again. 3. Selling digital products. This is where creativity meets freedom. You create something once, and it earns for you forever. That's the beauty of digital products. Think of Notion templates, digital planners, ebooks, resume templates, and study guides, all things students need. You can design them in Canva or Notion, upload to Gumroad or Etsy, and start selling. Even if you make $10 per sale and sell 100 copies a month, that's $1,000. No inventory, no shipping, no boss. The hardest part is starting, creating your first product. But once you see your first sale notification, something inside you changes. You realize you don't have to wait for permission to earn. 4. Affiliate marketing. This one is perfect if you're active on social media. You don't need to create your own product. You promote others and earn a commission. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or even book affiliate programs. They all work. Start a niche page around something you love. Productivity tools, finance, fitness, or books. Make short videos giving honest recommendations. Add your affiliate links in the bio or description. When people buy through your link, you earn money. Sometimes 5%, sometimes 50%. One viral video can make you hundreds of dollars. And the best part? You can do this with your phone from your dorm room. 5. Faceless YouTube channel. You don't need a camera. You don't need to show your face. You just need a voice, a script, and a message. Look at channels in niches like motivation, self-improvement, finance, tech, or psychology. Millions of views without ever showing their face. Use free footage from Pexels or Pixabay, record your voice, and edit with CapCut or DaVinci. Post 2 videos a week for 3 months and watch what happens. You might not get views instantly, but when your video hits, it can change everything. Monetization, sponsors, passive income, all from one idea. You don't need to start all 5. Just pick one and give it your all for 90 days. The first dollar you make online will change the way you see money forever, because you'll realize you don't need to wait for someone to give you a job. You can create your own, because while others are waiting for someday, you'll already be earning, growing, and building your future today. But you can't do it if you are not productive. So watch this video to learn more about it.